the black screen of death. Sometimes the hardest part of learning Three.js is not the math, the shaders, or the rendering concepts. Instead, it's this. You build your scene, you refresh the page, and get absolutely nothing. Just a black screen or a white screen. It's pure emotional damage.
The good news is the black screen of death is usually not mysterious. It almost always comes down to one of a few issues. First, you never actually rendered anything.
If renderer.render is not being called, or if your animation loop is not running, then nothing will appear. You just get an empty canvas. You may have created the scene just the way you wanted, but the browser was never told to draw it. Second, your object isn't actually visible.
Maybe you forgot to add it to your scene, scene.add. Maybe the camera is sitting at the same position as the mesh. By default, both the camera and new objects are created at the scene origin, and the camera looks down the negative Z axis. This can put your camera inside the object, behind it, or pointed somewhere else. A simple fix is to move the camera back, like this.
Related to that, the object might be outside the camera's frustum. A perspective camera only sees objects between its near or far clipping planes. So if the mesh or object is too close, too far away, or way off to the side, your scene will look sadly empty.
Third, your material needs light, but the scene has none.
If you use something like the mesh standard material and forgot to add a light, your object may be there, but completely dark. For debug purposes, you can try the mesh basic node material, and the mesh normal material is another great option.
Fourth, your renderer or canvas setup is broken. If you forget to call renderer.setSize or forget to append renderer.dom element to the page, you'll be staring at an empty screen. And if the renderer size and camera aspect are wrong, things can get weirdly distorted and get moved off screen. This is why resize handlers matter. Adding this code will automatically update render size and camera projection settings to fix this issue. And finally, your background and object may have the same color. If the background is black and your object is effectively black because of its material or lighting, it can look like nothing's rendered at all. The good news is that all of these are fixable in under a minute once you know what to look for. So here's a quick checklist to debug the black screen of death.
Check the browser console for error messages. Set the background to a bright color. Swap your material for a mesh basic material or mesh normal material or their node equivalents.
You can also use scene.override material to do this.
Move the camera back away from the origin to position.z equals 5. Drop a basic cube at the origin.
Or call renderer.render directly. Remember, when your scene breaks, simplify it until it works again.
Once you've defeated the black screen of death, you're ready to build something more fun. For ideas on what to create next, check out this video. Like and subscribe.